Hello everybody, I would like to demonstrate how to design Wakelet. Please go through this. I hope this small tutorial will help you. Uh, when you start designing Wakelet, first thing is you need your account. So when you create an account, on the top of your page, on the URL, you can type wakelet.com. This will take you to the Wakelet page. Alright, this is the page where you see. Now if you want to create an account, then you have to sign up for the account, and this is free. Alright, you have to go for free sign up. You have to click this free sign up, and then it will take you to your account. Right now I have my own account. I can go through this login. Alright, and here you see two things. Person who designed has to get in all the time through login, but people who have been invited as a collaborative member, then you have to get in with the code. All right, you have to click this. When you click this, you will be asked to enter the code. Once you have put the code, again you will reach to a same place where you are working together. So that's why there is enter code is there. All right, so once you have the account, so we'll get in. I'll try to get in from here. I'm clicking it, so I'll get in. All right, the other members who is collaborating will enter through using the code. So when you reach here, it is easy that you have to always choose the Google. Go with the Google. That is the safest and best way to enter into the Wakelet. And this Wakelet is a free tool, and you can work as same as the Padlet. Okay, you have again choose your account. Once you have chosen this account, it will take you to the Wakelet page. Then it's very easy. I have already created a small page, Wakelet page, and I have also had the 3 working space within my page. So these are my 3 page, 1, 2, 3. You can also see from the side, this is the first Wakelet space, second Wakelet space, third Wakelet space. If you click this plus, you are adding a space. So when I click this plus, that is how this is appearing here. When you click this, you are trying to design it. Right, when you click this, it will provide you the space to write. So how many space did I occupy right now? 1, 2, 3. All right, so if you like to unit 1, maybe this one is unit 1, this one is unit 2, then unit 3, unit 4. So this is how you will go by. Okay, so if I just go by this, right now this one is open, and you see this is blue, so it's open. So if I want to see the one of my work, I can click this and now open it. When I open this, you will see this is my Wakelet, and now you will see inside, okay, my what things have I done here. So this one picture was there on the side. This is how you will have to see. Here you can still invite the people. This is the direct inviting your friend without a collaborations. Okay, just share them this link so people can view. Just see there, invited, view, and you can share this without giving them any authority to edit. You can also share this code. All right, so they can enter either through this or through this. All right, so this is just inviting friends to view. So anyone with this access can share with the link or code with the or join with the code. All right, that's what you will have to keep in mind. If you want to invite with link or the code or the scanner or the code, or you can also use the email. This is all here. Then once you have invited friends, so these people will see this like this. They will scroll. Right now it's taking time to open. uh, so I have here quite a number of things I have put here, that's why it's taking time to open. And what you have to do is you have to edit in order to see this. You as a editor, account holder, you can open this and then see in what things are inside. See here, see what I have. First is this background, I have put it, all right. You can edit this from here. Then I have written some script. This is where you can start your topic, then you start writing here, then following that you can again put something here like this, then write it underneath a little bit, then again put something here, then again write it and put here, write it. So all the relevant information can be brought in. How to write is quite simple. If you want to add this, it's as simple as this, all right. You just click this. If you want to write it, click here and then put the text like this. If you want to put a video, just bring the link of the video and paste it here. The video will appear automatically. If you want to bring the image from your desktop, click here. If you want to bring a PDF file or the books or the references, you can bring it from here. If the book is available online, just click the link here. Book will come automatically. Okay, if you have anything on your drive, on your YouTube or the Google Drive, OneDrive, you can easily bring here. That is why this is very, very easy and straight. So anything that you want to add and then you write something, again add it, keep on clicking this. This is very important, all right. You have to use this button. See, I added many of the things here. Probably this was the latest. Yesterday there was a news about the moth discovery of the new species, and this is what I have added here. So once you have done this, once you have completed this adding, then you have to always say done. Okay, done. So see, now how do I know that is it my private page or is it being shared or is it to the public? So what you have to do is click here. Sorry, it is not here. What you have to do is, right now I am not on the edition mode, so what I'll do is I'll click the edition mode once more. You just look at that. Before say done, you have to look here. You have to click this look button and see there is a public. If you click onto the public, then anybody on internet will get access this information. If you keep it unlisted, only people with whom you share this information would get it. If you keep it private, all the time you will see all alone. All right. So yeah, enlisted. I think I shared you this, but I made it this. So what I'm doing is, right now I like to share you. So enlisted, then I will also make you as a collaborator. Okay, see there. From where did I get this? Is from this gear icon when I am under the edition mode. Okay, see there is an under edition mode. When you see this plus is an edition mode. So I will go here, change the collaborator. How you want to here on the setting, how do you want a background picture, that you can put it here. Do you want to share to your colleague? Simply click this and share. All right, they can view it. It can become a collection for them. So if you don't want to share, don't share. If you want to share, you can share from here. Do you want people to be collaborator? You can put it on. Okay, put it on. Right now I'm putting on. Then what I will do is, okay, I'm just putting off here. Then I made you I'll make this page as anybody who can get it as a collaborator, and also I made it enlisted. So now I will do, I can do you want to make it to save it? Yes, I do it. So once it is saved, then I share this. To whom should I share? When I share this, there is an option for me. Either I go by link, or I go by code, or I go by this QR. So I can copy this. Okay, then what I will do is, right now I'll put it on the VLE, and so that you will also get access to it. Okay, I'm trying to put this link on the VLE so that you will get access to this page as well. So I'm just putting it. No, I'll just write WAKELET Wakelet. Oh, sorry, it's taking time. Wakelet.com. Okay, I'll write here visit wakelet.com. I'm just make it a little bigger so that you all can see it easily. Yeah, I'll make it biggest. Okay, sorry, this is there, Wakelet. Where does it come? Wakelet, visit Wakelet. Okay, it is here, but I can edit this, make it a link. Right now there is no link, so let me just put it that so that next day or tomorrow onwards you can get very easily access to this my Wakelet page, so that you can look at it and then design accordingly. Okay, it's taking time. Please have a passion. Okay. Okay, I'm just trying to put the link. Okay, this you don't have to know, because so you will also get it here on the now. This has become linked, so you can see there. You can easily go inside to see my Wakelet page. So I've shared the link, okay, on BLE. All right. Then what I will do is now. So I have shared. This is how you can share to your friend. So now once you have done that, you are shared, and then you can easily look at my work, and then you can also edit that. So this is how you are going to put your informations on this. So like this you can edit, begin your work. So this is all about Wakelet, and but let me go back to my home page, okay, because that's very important to see other pages. So this is how you have, see, 1 2 3. Already sorry, I already shown you this. Let me go to the next space. All right, next space is, this is what I have, and I don't have any other thing. Third one, I don't have anything. All right, see, it's a blank. So if you want to add here something, you can simply click this, and see, this begins. You can put any pictures, add the pictures here, click here and add the pictures, and then just do here something. You type here, you can type here, then you can, if you wanted to have, so this could be a topic, and this could be an objective of the topic. This may be TOPIC, topic, okay, your topic. Then this would be objective, because you wanted to tell about what you want to learn out of this particular topic. Then maybe you will start writing your about the topic, like this. So done. And then maybe you like to add some graphic following that. You can go inside, upload the image from your computer. See, it's taking me there. Just upload. It will come. So see, it has already come. This picture has come here. All right. So sorry, it has come here. So now this is my brief write up. Then it's a picture. Then again I want to write, so I start doing there something of this short. I say okay. Then again I want to bring the web page, this particular web page. Okay, I'm just sorry, I'm trying to copy any web page. Okay, I just copy this web address, copy. Okay, copy. Okay, copy. Then I go back, and then I simply paste the link. Okay, copy, paste link. Now my video has come already. Same video has come here. See, just very easy, very easy. See, this video has come, this has come, and kept on writing, and that's all. It's not much. It's not so difficult. So once you have done that, make sure this is being taken as a enlisted. Why? This is because you wanted to share the information to the people whom you have shared the link. Okay, you have to keep it always on the unlisted. Public means it's open. Private means no one can see, only you can see. So once you have done this, once you have set this, you can click here or click here. It's up to you. So right now I'm keeping on private, and then you can go, you can make somebody collaborator. Right now it's an off, so you can do that. You can also invite from here. All right, do the same thing, or you can invite the people once you have saved this. So you say done, then there will be there will be another topic. See, new topic added under this space. If you want to create a new space, first, second, third, fourth. So later on, topic 1 you have completed here, topic 2 for the unit 2, topic 3, topic 4, like that you can keep on working on a same Wakelet. And this is how you will add like this. You can click this and the new space is being created here. So you can say topic 4, or you can write that topic. So this will come here. See, this is how okay, so this is the one, topic 4 created. Now this is the space. So I will click this and then add information. Okay, click this and add information. So this is fourth one. Okay, see there, fourth space 1 2 3 4. I hope you have understood. This is all about the how the Wakelet can be designed using the different contents. So this will in fact help you to enhance your skill to collect the different resources from different sources. Thank you. Hope this will help you.